Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 10 of our Bitsgap follow along. This is actually going to be my fourth time recording this video all the way through. I've had some audio issues and it's not recording my sound, so this is going to be my last attempt. I don't want to skip a day, and hopefully this actually works out. So as you can see here, we're at 33.39, and as of yesterday, we went down $75 and actually, but we've gone up 1% in our 27.43% total. And that is simply because we closed a bot yesterday to open a new one. So when we took profit, that ate from this number. We are still up in profit by 27%, and we'll go through those numbers now. So even while the market declines, Jasmy is still our number one at 82.58%, 1.8% a day for 1 month and 15 days total. So that's our number one. Then coming in, we'll scroll out here so you can see the chart if this is your first time here. Excited to get this over $1,000 in profit, and that's coming soon. Okay, so then Elon is our second one with 1.91% a day for 1 month and 8 days, and a total of 74.31% for the entire bot profit, which is just unreal, amazing. Shiba is next. Shiba's only at 32.88%. I say only, and that's because we're shooting for 2% a day, and we are only at 0.71 for this, and it's 1 month and 15 days. But that's because if you look, Shiba has kind of gone down and then sideways. So when this does run, we're going to be ready for it, and it's going to pick up where it left off. Next, we have Avalanche. So Avalanche is up 27.65% total in profit. It's right there within the guidelines of our 2%. In fact, over it at 2.77%. That's been running for 10 days and 7 hours. Now, total Avalanche is actually down 23%. So that's why you see a range here. It actually fell below our grid range, and we're waiting for that to pick back up to start trading again. But overall, very good. XYO, we've got 84% profit total for 1 month and 4 days, and that is also within our means of our target of 2.40% for 1 month and 4 days. Really good. It's actually definitely a keeper, and we're going to keep that going. Bond, we've got at 0.42%. It's in range, and it's down 17%. We're still up 18% total in 1 month and 14 days, but we're going to need to let this thing keep running to pick up. So overall, not too bad. Just needs to pick up where it left off. Doge 3L. Doge has been a slow, sick puppy, and we really need this thing to pick up. Even with that being said, we're up 43.97% on this bot and 1% a day. Once we get some a catalyst to get this thing to move, I think it's going to be huge. AVAX BTC, this is our only BTC pair. I do believe that BTC pairs are going to be good to run during a bear market. We're still up 35.51% total in 1 month and 14 days, but we are below our 2% a day target here for that. However, this is a test and we're all learning together, and that's why we're going to keep letting this BTC pair run. Shiba USDT, we just talked about that. Above, we're running it on Coinbase. This is on KuCoin. We're still up 41.52%. Just under 1% a day in 1 month and 15 days. Just like above, we're going to leave it running. NTVRK, this is actually 10 days ago, so we started this on the day that we started this follow along. It's at 1.14% a day, 11% total, and so overall we're pretty happy with that. Let's see where we're at in 30 days. Luna has actually done 33.95%, just at 0.89% a day, 1 month and 7 days total. So again, not terrible. We're going to leave it running and see what happens from there. OXT, we started 1 month and 9 days ago. It's only at 0.5%. Total, we've done 21.06%. So 20% in a month is still actually really good when you think about it. It's probably just like staking it. And so very, very happy with these results so far. Axie Infinity, this is actually just fell out of range. We're up 40% on this in 1 month and 5 days. It's at 1.12% a day. We'll take it. KCS. We've talked about it before, but all of the exchange tokens I'm very bullish on. I believe they're the most utility used in crypto overall. And so this is actually at 29.93% profit, so only 0.68, but I'm very happy to see these results and trade this token. CRO, this is our scalper bot. Our scalper bot, when you look at this, I mean, this is just absolutely insane. We've done 39,907 trades. It's only up 5%. However, we're doing that for this contest, which let's take a look. We are at 453 out of 2,544 people. The total prize pool has actually gone up to 35,440. We have 17 days, 20 hours, and 31 minutes left. And so we are going to ride this thing out and see if we can scalp any of this prize pool profit. And that's why we are running these scalper bots. Floki's down. Floki is down 27.9% right now. The bot, however, is still up profitable by 11% in 18 days. And so look at this. I mean, we started trading up here and we've gone down. So anytime, if you can make money on a market that's moving down, we'll take it. And that's exactly what we're going to do. FTG is up 26.47%, 16 days this has been running, 1.65, so just underneath our target, right on pace where we need it to be, especially considering BTC is doing whatever it wants to do. All right, then we have our BTC3L. This is another scalper that we started. This is actually up $34, 3% in 8 days. So we started this a couple days ago. We started this one together. And that is fine considering that the market is down and BTC is down. This is actually going to produce some yield. The scalpers, we already know if you've watched these videos, they're not that profitable. We're running these for the yield and for the contest itself. Yushi is a game token on BSC, and it's up 14% profit in 17 days. So underneath our 2% range, however, it's gone down quite a bit, and everything that is dependent on BNB. So that's why we're going to let this thing run and explore it together and make sure that it's a good move. CRO, we talked about that already. This is on the spot side. It's only been running for 5 days, so we started this one together at the halfway point of this follow along. And it's done just about 0.5% for 5 days, $14. So we're going to ride this out because obviously when on Christmas Day, when the Staples Center becomes the Crypto.com arena, there's going to be a ton of buzz, and we're going to ride that buzz. Luna KCS, we've talked about these. This is 5.5% in 12 days, $11. Again, nothing crazy, but it is what it is. BTC USDT, we started this one together 8 days ago. Bitcoin has gone down. It's down 2% as we speak right now. However, we're still up $5, which is nothing crazy. But when this thing does run, we are going to be ready for it. And that's why we started this bot together. ADA KCS, we talked about these scalpers. I just don't even like to mention them. They are down to our losers here. So this is, it's actually up, still in profit, 3%. And profit is profit. There's nothing in the red here. It's just that, we're waiting on the market. And again, Cardano, I heard a funny joke. Somebody said that they're going to rename Cardano to Cardayes because to get rid of that no sentiment, because right now it's just boring. So we really need this thing to run, and we'll be ready for it when it does. Shiba Doge, this is the fighting dog pair. Both of them have been very, very sleepy puppies, and we need them to wake up. Even overall, we're up 76 cents. This is, again, look at this, 19,000 trades we've done in 12 days. Look at this chart. Absolutely insane. And again, we're running this for the yield on that contest. Now, our biggest loser of the day is going to be the pair that we started yesterday. This ARPA. Now, if you remember, this is only trading every 5%. We're down a penny in 1 day and 2 hours. So in 24 hours, we lost a penny on this. And that's okay. I think it's going to pick up with Bitcoin doing whatever it wants to do. That doesn't necessarily help. But that is where we're at total for the day. I'm going to end this here. It's going to be a little bit of a quick one today just because I've had issues with the sound, like I said. I hope you're enjoying this video. If it's your first time here, please be sure to subscribe. If it's not your first time here, thanks for watching on day 10. Please leave any comments, questions, concerns, critiques, anything that you have in the comments below, and we'll engage. And I'd love to help out where I can. And I hope that you guys are enjoying this, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.